Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Baby's got new haircut. Can you see my hair is much shorter than what it used to be, full of layers. Today, as for my makeup collection, I just took out a few things that I was not really sure of if they work for me or not. Because I've used them like once or twice and not more than that, and they did not work out for me in those one or two times, but I am not sure as of they might work out. Maybe you can say sometimes the makeup does not work out due to some certain reasons and might work out when used some other times. So I thought, let me just give them one fair chance for one last time so that I can figure out if they really work for me or not, and if they do not work out, I'm just going to toss them in the dustbin like I did with the ones that I regret buying. And if I like them or if I think I can use them in some way or other, I might keep them. So today, let's just begin with things. And however, these are the products, and I think let's just quickly start into the video without wasting much time. Let's go. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. I did not have any primer that I did not like, so I did that off camera. Starting off first, these are color correctors from Menow. Now, we don't really know what color correctors are. Let me tell you this. What actually happens is there are some certain colors that get crossed out because of some other colors that are actually on the opposite end of the spectrum, something like that. I don't really know what it is. But I don't know the exact basic theory, but all I know is when you have blackness or blueness under your eyes, if you use the red color, it's going to cross out that blackness. If you have red skin, you can use a green color corrector to cross out that redness. So because I have dark circles, I decided to buy these two color correctors. So this one is for dark spots because I do have a little blemishes like on the cheeks. And then this one is for under eye concealer, under eye circles. So I think we are going to use this first. I have used this once or twice and they look really cakey, they look really bad, they do not blend properly. So I think we are going to use this. I think I should be taking a brush to conceal this up. An angular brush for this, and now let me say this, it is blending properly with the brush, but when I tried it with the beauty blender, it never really got blended. So I think it's better to use a brush for such thick creamy products. And let's see if they really cross out anything or not. This pink one did get blend into my skin. I have no issues with blending as such, but as far as my dark spots are concerned and any color correcting is concerned, I don't think it corrected anything. So I don't know. It's hard to blend. It's really hard to blend. My arms are paining. Let me just go in with the beauty blender. Oh god, I'm tired of this now. Now the beauty blender did soak in so much product, and I'm glad it did because I do not want to blend it out any further. I'm really tired of this entire blending. It's not gonna blend. And does my under eye look any better? No. So definitely this is a miss, and I'm gonna throw this in the dustbin for sure. Foundation, I have this Olivia Panstick. I used this once when I got it from Cubs and Lashes, and I used it in the haul, and I did not like it then because I don't know why I did not like it, but I'm just giving this foundation, this Panstick, a benefit of doubt that it was a really humid day that particular day. So today it's not humid at all. It's almost autumn now and there's nothing like humidity. It's almost very dry now. So let's see if this works now. I'll actually start out with a brush because it's really hard to blend such things with a beauty blender at first. Hmm. To be honest, I don't know why I did not like this. I am liking it right now. I think if I use this for some days it might be fine, but this does not match my neck and my neck looks awfully yellow and I don't really want to put anything on my neck, so it's fine with that. Using it as concealer also because I don't have anything else for concealer. This does look a little caked up, so of course I'm going to go with my beauty blender just to blend this out. I think it looks better now, less cakey. Honestly, again, I'm not really sure of this product because I think it works, but this looks a little more cakey. This is not something I would reach out very often, and I'm really not sure of this still. So I think I'll keep it. I'll just keep it. So I don't have any compact, so I'm just going to do that off camera and I'll be right back. Honestly speaking, this foundation is very thick and this is not something you should be using if you have a oily skin or if you even have a combinational skin. It's really heavy on the skin. It just looks like a very thick moisturizer for a very dry skin. So I would say rather try to give it a miss if you have an oily skin or combinational skin. And let's just move into the eyeshadow. So this is a new Tude palette that I'm going to use. I just used this one for that I think office look video. Now just have a look at this palette. To be honest, this palette is something that does not intrigue me to get used because it has these plain colors, it has these nude colors, it has these very bland colors that I don't really use. I am more into like vibrant, beautiful colors like pinks and greens and blues, and that is what I am happy with. And these colors are something like I won't really use. So now there is no light transition shade. Everything is like shimmer. If you can see, most of the colors are shimmer. There is no transition shade, so I don't really have much options. I'm gonna go with this. This is also a shimmer shade although, but let me just work this out. I have no options left. Now you can see the fallout is intense. They are so powdery, just have some serious kickback. I'm now gonna go with this dark brown color. They look very chalky. They don't really give like a really nice finish. Let me just go in with the black color. Let's just start out with the smoky eye. I'm going to use a crease brush and we are going to have a crazy black color. Honestly speaking, this black color isn't that black, it's bad. It does not blend properly. I'm going to blend this black color out. It's not working at all. It's very chalky, it's not blending properly. Oh my god, what am I supposed to do now? I give up with this black color. This is not good. I am just going to take this particular pink color, put it on my lid. I'm really not amused with this eye makeup today. Oh, this pink color, okay, it does not show up. But this pink color actually has like a golden reflex, which I kind of like. God, this does not want to show up. This does not even appear anywhere. This is so chalky, so powdery. Oh god. I mean, let's be honest. See, can you see what really happened with this? Let's be honest. Next time, I'm never gonna buy any stuff from ADS the BALM. This is stupid AF. and there is a serious fallout even on my face. I tried to work out with this black color, but it did not work. Let's complete the under eye because I don't really have any kohl pencil as such that I would really give another chances. For kohl pencils, it's like either you love them or you just don't love them. So I'll just complete with the same black and brown color. This eyeshadow palette, this does not work. I'm gonna throw this now. This is the shimmer brick from Incolor. Now this is a nice product. The only problem I have with this is I think this is not my shade. This is probably 4 rose gold and mine would have been more like 1 or 2. This is particularly darker for me. But this has this brown color which I'm gonna use for bronzing or contouring, whatever you can say, but on a very light hand. My eyes look so bad. As far as contouring is concerned, I think this is something you won't really use for contouring, but for highlight, let me use the upper color. Let me just see if it works as a highlighter. If it works as a highlighter, I might keep this. This can be useful, of course. Oh, that is really pretty. I think it can be used as a highlighter. Okay, this I think I'm going to keep just for the sake of highlighting. I love this highlighter, it's so pretty. I'm going to keep this. I don't really love this, but I'm going to keep this. Now another eye makeup that I forgot was this mascara. Now this mascara is from ADS Colosol. The problem is this is such a large wand. You cannot work on the lower lash line with this. It's only good for the upper one, but not for the lower one. This wand is so big, it's really difficult to control. I'm sorry, but this is can you see? It's so difficult. It really got in hair. Can you see? This is what happens with this. It's so bad. It goes everywhere. Another problem with this thing is it does not dry out easily. The last time I did this and I was about to do my lashes literally 20 minutes after, this did not dry at all because all my other actually dry out, but this never dried out. So I don't like this at all. Let's be honest today, I don't even want to get a pic click because I look so awful. So I have these 2 lipsticks. This one is from Blue Heavens. This lipstick, I like it. This is a perfect nude color for me. Perfect nude color in general. But for me, it's a little washed out. It's like very light for me. Wet n Wild. Again, color issues. See this color. This is a pink color. See, this is the same color, just in the form of a lipstick, and this does not look flattering. Okay, this is exactly how this looks. This is such a bad color. Such a bad color. Let me just try to take off this mascara. See if it has dried or not. See, it did not dry. This is like undryable. Can you see? It has been quite some time and it did not dry. Let me have a quick recap of everything. What is going in the dustbin and what I'm going to keep. Starting off with these concealers, definitely these are going in a dustbin for sure. This Olivia Panstick, I'm going to keep it. I might try it some other day. This is particularly fine. This palette, dustbin for sure. Mascara, dustbin. This brick, I'm going to keep it. I can use this for highlighter. It's pretty. This lipstick, dustbin definitely. This lipstick, I'm going to use this for like ombre effects and all that. I'm going to keep this one. So guys, you have seen these stuff so far. You know what really works and what really don't work. So I would suggest next time you try to buy these stuff, stay away from them. Really stay away from them. This is not a good phase today. I'm not in the best phase of my life. Mascara smearing on my fingers. It's a bad day. Looks like I did this smoky eye 4 years back and it's just like shattering everywhere. So guys, this was it for today's video and I really smashed my career in makeup big time. So of course I'll meet you in the next video and I'll do a good face of makeup for sure. So I'll see you in another video.